In this video, how to merge two videos in Camtasia. Merging two videos in Camtasia is quite straightforward. Drag and drop the videos you want to merge into the media bin. Arrange the videos. Position the videos in the desired order on the timeline. You can also split and remove unwanted frames. Apply transitions. Go to the Transitions tab, choose a transition, and drag it between the two videos on the timeline. Adjust the duration and effect as needed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.